Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning promo videos easily using FlexClip AI. So FlexClip is packed with hidden AI tools that will make your video creation faster and more powerful than ever before, which include promotional videos. So you can start by opening the FlexClip.com on your browser, and then here I'm going to just go with this create by templates option. So FlexClip will provide you with some of the amazing templates, including the ad or the promo and sales category that will make your promo videos creation easily or easier. Okay, so here I'm going to just use a template from the promo and sales category. So you can just choose which one, whether it's landscape or portrait like this. And here I'm going to just click on customize in here. So new tab will automatically open. So here you need to sign in first or sign up. And then you can just import media to the template. You can just drag and drop the files in here, and you can also modify it, or you can also use the AI options in here. And when you're done with the editing and everything, you can just click on export. Oops. So this is the preview of the promotional video by FlexClip. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you in the next one.